Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, my home on YouTube. Today's video that I have for you is all about styling tips. So it is, I don't know, like 8 styling tips for every girl out there. These are tips that I just kind of thought of myself. They're just totally my opinion. Something that I use in my everyday life that I thought I would share with the rest of you. Of course, everybody's got their own way of styling and dressing and the way they incorporate certain items into their life. And these may not work for you, but they work for me. And I thought I would just share them with all of you guys out there. Before I get started with this video, I do want to thank everybody that has been subscribing to my channel. And for those of you guys that haven't, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Follow me on all social media at CanBeRehaul. Share this video as well as this channel. Comment down below and like it as well. And enough being said, let's just get right into this video. All right, guys. So the very first tip I'm gonna give you, the styling trick that every girl should know or have in their closet, is more like it, a strapless bra. So we know that it's getting sunny outside. We're gonna hit summer, and we're gonna want to wear all those nice, cute tank tops. Definitely get yourself a strapless bra. Like, okay, so like something like this. If you're wearing something like this, I used to think, you know, it's all right. I can put like a regular bra on underneath, and it's not a big deal. The straps are wide. You won't be able to see it. Wrong. You can definitely see it. They peep through from the side right here, and trust me guys, it's not a good look. Well, I don't think so, not for me. So that is the very first tip. The one I wear is from Victoria's Secret. Super duper comfortable, awesome, I love it. Yes, summer is coming, get yourself a strapless bra. Tip number 2, accessorize. Accessorizing your clothes or your outfit is gonna make the biggest difference in your whole outfit that day that you're wearing, or any other day. Mine is, like I've shown you here, I've added just some necklaces. I've layered about 3, 1 choker style and 2. And I do love mixing metals. I've got this one here, which is more of a silver, and then the rest of them are gold. So yeah, add accessories. It could be in the term of wearing maybe a hat. Takes it to a completely different level. I always wear earrings. So if I feel like I don't want to fuss around with like clicking around with the chains in the back, which is super duper annoying, I know, I usually just put on a pair of hoop earrings, which is more than enough sometimes. And then you could add rings. I don't add too many rings usually. I do add 1 all the time. Wearing a belt can change the whole outfit as well. So accessorizing your whole outfit can take you from like 1 to 10 in like literally in a snap of a finger. Tip number 3 is change your sneakers. I know, I love my sneakers, super duper comfortable, but change it for a pair of heels and it will definitely take you from like down here to like up there in a second. It'll elongate your legs. It'll change the entire outfit completely. So changing your sneakers and putting on a pair of heels, I mean, even a small little kitten heel will make the difference. Another thing heels do for you is they actually make you feel a little bit more confident. I feel like you feel a little bit more confident when you're in heels. You feel more like a boss lady, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's switch out those sneakers and add the heels. Tip number 4, are we at 4 yet? High-rise jeans, high-rise bottoms. High-rise bottoms is another way to elongate your legs. So not only do the heels elongate your legs, but high-rise pants, whether they be jeans, whether they be shorts, whether they be a skirt, whether it be leggings, dress pants, anything, high-rise will always elongate your body. So remember to switch out those mid-rise and low-rise to high-rise, just to change up your whole outfit. Tip number 5 is gonna be, when you're trying to wear looser bottoms, try to wear something a little bit more fitted at the top. It just proportions out the whole outfit a little bit more, as well as your body a little bit more. So if you are wearing something a little bit baggier, make sure you're wearing something a little bit more fitted. And if you do want to go for that looser t-shirt, try to tuck it in or tie it in a knot. That way it'll show your waist and it'll elongate you again. So all these tips and tricks are mostly about elongating and making you feel better from what you're wearing, so the confidence level goes up. So remember that if you are wearing something a little bit more baggier at the bottom, you don't want to wear something so baggy at the top. You want to proportion out the bottom, your body. So do either tuck it in, tie it in a knot if you do. So I've put on this shirt from Urban Outfitters and my Zara pants. Now you can tell that this is like a super, super big shirt. And then the pants, of course, are big again. I personally would probably just put on a shorter and more fitted cropped top on top, just to proportion out the body. But if you do want to wear something like this, you could either just tuck it in. Now I like to do like a front tuck usually, and leave the back out if you like. You can leave it like that, and that changes the whole thing. Is just tie it so then the top, the back, and the front are not so loose on either side. So just tie it in that knot, and that just adds a little bit more of a trendy look to the whole outfit and changes everything in like literally the snap of a finger. So the last tip I'm gonna give you guys is to always get your clothes hemmed. So if your pants, sorry guys, if your pants are too long, take them to a tailor, get them hemmed. If your skirt or blazers or jackets are too big, take them in a notch. Adding that extra $10 and getting them tailored to your size makes a huge difference. And especially with like pants, I'm only 5'1". I always have to get my pants hemmed. I have these ones on right now, which I will show you. These are my Levi's 501s, and they are not super duper long, and I could kind of get away with just wearing these ones. But most likely, in order to make myself look a little bit taller, I would have to get them hemmed. So I like to just hem them a little bit right now above my ankle, so it adds that length, so your legs look a little bit longer. So it is very important that you get your items fitted to your size. Find a tailor that you love, that you can trust. That's not too expensive either. Yeah, and then also find out from where you've purchased your items from. Sometimes they also do tailoring for you, and they don't charge that much more extra, or they'll give you a discount, or they have a tailor in the mall that will give you a discount. So those are just a few tips that you should learn or know about the where you're shopping. And like Levi's will hem your jeans if you've purchased it from there, and you have proof of purchase, that they will hem it for free. They do charge a little bit if you're adding the same hem. But yeah, so these ones, what a difference that made by just like cuffing them in by a little bit. So if you look at both sides, I'm not saying that this side is bad, but this side is definitely probably my most favorite side. Yeah. There you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something or just kind of taken a few tips and tricks that you can kind of incorporate into your world. Yeah, and before I let you go, please do subscribe to my channel, follow me on all social media at CanBeRehaul, share and like this video, and comment down below. Let me know what you would want to see next. And till next time, bye!